Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Odotech. Let's discuss about what will be the strategy if you want to change your job into IT sector. So everybody knows that before getting to IT, I was a mechanical engineer and I worked for 3 years in mechanical department. So let's talk about what will be the strategy and steps should be followed by everyone so that you can get into IT and you can land your first job. So first of all, let me share something about whenever I was in mechanical, I was keep asking question me that what will be the right path where I will get into IT so easily. So I just go to the people and ask question that what course I will do so that I can able to get a fast job. So many people will be suggest different things like if you are going to ask a developer that is what will be the best for and what will be the technology for where I can land on my fast job, then definitely he will suggest you go get into developing. If you are going to ask question about the cloud engineer, that he will suggest according to his knowledge and department. So asking many question to different people, you have to do explore yourself. So here is the strategy. The first step will be you have to explore yourself. I mean, if you are just get into IT, then you have to learn everything. Like in engineering, we have a capability that is learning different chapters, different papers in different semesters. So each semester there will be changes. So don't mind for that. You have to keep exploring from the basic of the IT, and then whenever during exploration, definitely you will find your uh, like like you will pick your any technology, like you can get your favorite technology, so that whenever you will get your favorite technology, you have to uh, learn what you love. Like suppose you are just keeping exploring cloud technology, operating system, different type of operating system for system administration. Suppose you are learning about data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and as well as you have just learning full stack development, Android development. There will be a lot of technology you are learning, but you are just gradually exploring all of those things, but somehow you are just getting your passion into, suppose in Python. So learn Python in learn Python. Then if you are feeling that is you are really enjoying the things, you are enjoying the Python programming and write coding, then you have to pick that Python for a long term goal. After that, you should keep starting learn all of the concept of Python. There'll be, if you are I'm talking about there will be the example. Suppose you are learning Python is not for only for the development. There will be the lot of features in Python. So I can say that there the only limitation of Python is it is not compatibility with the Android development. Apart from that, everywhere is Python is using. So you have to find that is you are preparing yourself for targeting which areas of Python, so that you can learn accordingly. Then hands-on. Don't get into so much theory inside of the technology. You just keep hands-on, keep solving the lab. If you are suppose if you are learning cloud technology, so don't go to or learn any definition. So just explore the cloud, different services of cloud. Whatever you are doing, even in cyber security, don't learn only theory for the cyber security. You have to just explore all of the practical session along with the theory. Then it will be the no healthy learning. So see the next step. So for the IT, if you just migrating yourself in IT, so you have to learn you have certain things so that you can trigger your learning in a good way. These are the few roadmaps. So first of all, you have to own a computer with good internet service. So if you are exploring something, then you need to actually having a good internet services, along with that a computer system which is compatibility with whatever you are learning. So if you have a good internet service, then you can explore multiple domains. So first you have to having these basic things about If you want to trigger your journey in IT, first having a computer, then one of the good internet service. Then go to next step. You have to follow educator. So there will be the many educator. I am saying you, it's my personal experience, that is we are spending a lot of money in the initial stage of our career whenever we are learning any kind of courses. So we should only spending on money on course. Before that you have to explore few things, few areas where you can get available free resources in open source platforms, so that you have to learn. There will be a lot of educators, those are available in YouTube. They are providing a lot of good guidance and like course content, so you have to keep exploring this course for free fast, few months. I'm telling you. Then discussion. So make a friend circle or make a area and get into, get into collab with those people, where you can discuss about certain things about the technology or area you want to target. Then follow engineers. Suppose in your circle there will be a lot of engineers available, so you have to connect with them and just ask them question, that is what is the situation of industry, so that you can get a good glance about real life industry and what is the things are going in inside of the industry. Then you have to follow your passion. So after getting all of those things, you have to follow your passion. If you are meeting five people in a day uh, from the different domain, and you have just discussing about the different five topics, somehow your mind will be pick one, and you have to jump accordingly. If you are picking any one particular domain, so you have to jump over there. So next, it is all about seven steps to landing your first job. First of all, a lot of aspirant are spending a lot of time on, like they are calculating, that is I am going to spending 6 months, yeah, 5 months to completing this course. But this is, for my view, this is wrong. You have to divided your all of month in weeks, and your weeks will be day, and your day will be in hours. So you have to make yourself ready for spending each hour and finding every hour as a productive hours. Suppose a lot of people are spending 1 year in data science, or a lot of people are spending 6 months over DevOps. Don't do that. So you have to follow your timing. Like just make a planner. You are just divided all of topics and make certain planner, that is in which hours you are going to learn this topic. So suppose there will be a course of 1 year, so just spending just divided that course into 120 hours or 160 hours or 80 hours. You have to follow this like that. Then you can effectively you can get into the domain. Otherwise, if you are spending months and months, then it will be a waste of time from my point of view. Then it will be comes to step 2, that is track your process. So uh, if you are spending 80 hours on a course to completing that particular course, so day by day you are spending hours on learning that particular session, and if you are practicing on hours for completing all of the lab concepts, so you have to track your progress, that is uh, actually where you are. For tracking it, for tracking the process, you have to follow, that is share your knowledge, whatever you are learning. So you have to share with any platform. If you, suppose you are in LinkedIn, you have to write all of those things in LinkedIn. Otherwise, you have to discuss with your friend, or you are just do a free mentorship, whatever you are learning. So just just spread everywhere, so that you can get a lot of questions about that particular domain. Then you can find, if you are unable to answering that question, that it's a knowledge gap. So according to this, if you are open for the discussion, then you will definitely find a knowledge gap, and you will work on it. So it's important, whenever we are learning, we should find a knowledge gap. That will be important. So next step, go follow your communication. So first of all, you don't need to be excel in the English, because you are not going to be an English lecturer inside of the IT domain. Basically you need to be like, you need to just present yourself with average English, that will be great. I mean, so that, I mean, if you are sitting on an interview and you are just exploring or explaining everything with a great manner and with your average in communication skill, then that will be great. So if you are below, or like you are not able to communicate with the people, so you have to focus on develop your communication skill. Then create your resume. So basically, I feel that most of people are copying their resume from a experienced person. Otherwise, they are just simply get into cybercaf and copy it. Just keep doing copying of all of the resumes. So don't do that. So just learn how to create a resume by self. So if you keeping mistake, but definitely you have to learn that is how to create a own resume. So resume matters a lot whenever you are applying the job. The next step will be create profile in job portals and keep on applying. So there will be a lot of job portals. So basically, if I am talking about self, then I use LinkedIn a lot. Then I just get into Naukri.com, as well as right now I am keep using Glassdoor also. So you have to create a professional profile over there and keep applying. Suppose in daily basis you have to apply the job, and I'm telling you the link, Naukri hacks. So what I will do, before the 10 a.m. of every working day, you have to keep updating your profile and keep applying your job. Suppose in daily basis you are spending at least 1 hour in job portals, then it will be great. You know that is how to, what will the process and how to apply the job. So suppose you are keeping applying the 100 jobs in a month, or in 15 days, definitely you will get a call of suppose 10. And if you are preparing, if you are doing a good preparation, so you will just able to crack within 3 to 4. And suppose in if you are comparing 3 to 4 jobs, then what will the best package or best skill set, or the designation you are, where you can learn a lot. So you have to pick according to the job. Then the seventh step is update your profile. So I am telling you that there will be certain keywords in Naukri.com or Glassdoor or any job portal. So you have to keep updating your profile accordingly. If you are keeping updating your profile daily basis, then definitely there will be the lot of traffic you can get, where you can get a lot of job call from the interviewer. These are the few steps which I followed for the get a job. So recently, one more thing, that is I just want to take a break from a job. That will be 2 months, because I just want to putting a lot of time to learn new technology, because there will be the everybody we need to learn for the future, you know, for the future technology. So definitely, right now I am following these steps to, if I, in case if I am taking any kind of break of 2 months or 3 months, then if I just want to get back to the industry with decent salary package or decent technology, then I'm following same steps. That is, I'm learning, I'm mentoring, sometimes even I'm recording video sessions, and all those things I have to do from my ability. So I definitely do in daily basis. And one more thing that is I am doing, that is I never following any kind of course for the month. I just want to finish all those course and all of the practice session in a certain hours, because calculative hours is more important to, instead of spending a technology for 3 to 4 months or even more than 6 months. For this is the all about roadmap, or you can say this is a small experience what I have followed my initial days for grabbing a job. So this strategy for you, fresher, as well as the experience who was really surviving with 1 year experience or 2 year experience. Even I'm having 3 years experience, but still I follow the strategy to, landing a good job. So from this is from my side. I hope you should get good glance about or good idea about the technology, and keep following my channel and keep supporting.